Mike Hughes here. I'm at Villa on Dunbar Rock, and Dunbar Rock is where, Dennis?
Dunbar Rock is located on the east side of Roatan. By plane, we are 20 minutes away.
Okay.
Then when you land at the airport, we pick you up. It's another 10 minute boat ride, and we take you to this beautiful place.
And it's one single place on the rock.
Yes.
And there's a shallow diving nearby, and also there's some.
Yes, if you see around, it's only 7 feet of water.
Okay.
But if you love macro picture,
right,
you can do the unlimited dives every day. You let us know, and you can stay the longest you want around. It's beautiful.
And then you have boats that can take you out to farther places if you want to, or?
Okay, yes, we do. We have a schedule. Every day we do 3 boat dives, okay? We do 2 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, and 1 night dive during the week.
Okay.
But if you want to do some extras, like I say, you can play around the villa. You will enjoy it.
And 7 feet, your tank's going to last a long time. That's a lot of muck diving.
Let me tell you this. Doesn't matter the time. Enjoy, have fun. You come here for diving, okay? Enjoy it.
Now, is that a Saturday to Saturday thing or what?
Yes. Yes, Saturday to Saturday. On the villa, we have Wi-Fi, AC, hot water, and 3 great meals every day, 4:30 p.m. We have a snack, and also in our bar, we have specials, happy hours every day. You better take it.
Cool.
Each room has a balcony, and we have sea view around there.
And what's really cool, I mean, it's a very isolated place, and you can really get a lot of personal comfort, I guess.
Yes, the place is quiet. Like, for example, you have a very hard life, you work really hard, and this is the best place. The only sound is of the ocean. That's the sound in your ear every day. Like I said, the 3 great meals, 3 great diving.
How many people could I take with me there?
You can take 22.
22
we
max.
have 11 rooms. Yes.
But I might want to be like Bill Gates and just be by myself.
Also, you can get it for you.
Cool. And if they want more information about Dunbar or Dunbar, if you're an American that says it wrong.
No.
Okay. And if they want more information, they go to?
You go to, we have our office here in the States. You can call our office. DunbarRock.com or clarkey.com. And also you can call our travel specialty, or you can call free to these numbers.
Okay, so just rewind this video until you get the number down. Oh, well, great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.